Welcome back to our channel, where we explore fascinating development projects in Africa and around the world. Today, we're diving into the Nairobi Expressway, a remarkable undertaking in Kenya that promises to revolutionize transportation and connectivity in the region. Join us as we explore the key features, benefits, and concerns surrounding this ambitious project. Let's get started. The Nairobi Expressway is a 27-kilometer toll road designed to alleviate traffic congestion and enhance connectivity between Nairobi and Mombasa, Kenya's key cities. It stretches from Lolongo, near the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, to James Gicheru Road Junction in Westlands. With an estimated cost of $560 million, this monumental project was initiated by the Kenyan government in 2019 under a public-private partnership with China Road and Bridge Corporation, CRBC. Let's explore the features that make the Nairobi Expressway a game-changer. This state-of-the-art expressway boasts 4 lanes in each direction, spanning a width of 24.5 meters. It incorporates 10 interchanges, 19 pedestrian bridges, which are still to be constructed, 28 overpasses and underpasses, and 4 toll plazas. These elements work together to ensure smooth traffic flow, reduce travel time, and improve safety. The Nairobi Expressway is a vital addition to Kenya's infrastructure. By significantly reducing travel time from the airport to the city center, it offers immense benefits for commuters, businesses, and the economy as a whole. With a maximum speed limit of 120 kilometers per hour and a capacity to handle up to 50,000 vehicles daily, the expressway is poised to streamline transportation and promote regional integration. To cover the project's cost, toll fees are collected from road users. The Nairobi Expressway provides 3 payment options: electronic toll collection, ETC, mobile toll card, MTC, and cash payment. ETC offers a 5% discount per trip, while MTC provides a 2% discount. Toll rates vary based on vehicle class and distance traveled. The construction of the Nairobi Expressway commenced in October 2019 and was completed ahead of schedule in April 2022. On May 16, 2022, President Uhuru Kenyatta officially inaugurated the expressway, praising it as a landmark achievement for Kenya's transportation sector. He emphasized the importance of paying for quality services and infrastructure while assuring the public that the toll fees are reasonable and affordable. Like any major project, the Nairobi Expressway has garnered mixed reactions from the public and various stakeholders. Some applaud it as a modern and efficient road that will ease congestion, save time and fuel costs, enhance safety, and create job opportunities. However, others raise concerns regarding its cost, environmental impact, social welfare, displacement of residents and businesses, and potential exclusion of low-income earners from accessing the road. While the Nairobi Expressway brings undeniable benefits, we must critically assess its long-term implications. It is essential to ensure transparency, accountability, and inclusivity in the project's execution. Additionally, measures should be taken to minimize environmental impact, protect the welfare of affected communities, and consider alternative modes of transportation. The Nairobi Expressway serves as a crucial piece in Kenya's aspirations to become a regional hub and a middle-income country by 2030. Beyond transportation, it is expected to have positive spillover effects on sectors such as tourism, trade, agriculture, manufacturing, and services. Furthermore, the expressway aligns with the vision of connecting Kenya with its neighbors through high-quality road networks, fostering regional integration and cooperation. The Nairobi Expressway embodies Kenya's determination to enhance its infrastructure, economy, and regional connectivity. While it presents immense opportunities, addressing concerns and ensuring sustainable development are vital moving forward. We hope you enjoyed this insightful journey through the Nairobi Expressway. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating explorations of groundbreaking projects worldwide and in Africa specifically. Thank you for joining us today on this remarkable adventure. Remember to leave your thoughts and comments down below. If you found this video informative, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'll see you soon with more exciting content. Take care and goodbye.